From the trading desk of dailyforex.com, this is Christopher Lewis looking at the upcoming August 2nd Forex session in the Euro. As you can see, we had a relatively benign attempt at a rally during the session on Tuesday in the Euro-dollar pair. And this was predicated basically upon the idea of Fed stimulus and then having it turned around once the announcement came out and it became obvious that they aren't stimulating right away. This sets up an interesting session for the second Thursday because we now have the ECB up to the plate and we will see what they have to say. Right now, I see this pair is essentially sitting on the 122 level. So having said that, I think that is going to be an interesting trigger to pay attention to as far as selling. Now, Draghi has already promised that we were going to see something substantial. This kind of sets up the euro in a lose-lose situation because one of two things is going to happen. Either he's going to come out with an announcement that is below expectations, and that will send the euro plunging and will not do anything to help investor confidence in that region. Alternately, he could do something that's very stimulative for the markets. This might cause a knee-jerk reaction higher, but overall, that should weaken the euro as well. So either way, I really don't see the case for the euro rising, at least not for any significant amount of time. So what I'm looking at is the reaction to the announcement. Is it going to be positive? Is it going to be negative? If it's negative, it's probably just a quick sell, no matter what. You just sell it. Trends with you and everything else. However, if we do get some type of pop, you can see that going higher, really until about 127, we aren't clear of a lot of noise. So I would actually be looking towards the shorter time frames, perhaps the 1 hour charts for signs of resistance, especially around handles, the 1.23, the 1.24, etc. There is a lot of resistance above, and I just don't see the situation where weakening, printing more euros or something to that effect strengthens the currency that much. It may relieve some of the fears, granted, and that might cause a knee-jerk spike to the upside. But all in all, this looks like a pair that really only has one direction to go, and that's exactly how I'm going to trade it.